Hi, in this video I'm going to explain exercise 6.3 chapter 6 linear inequalities question number 1, 2 and 3. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. See, in the last exercise, which is exercise 6.2, only one inequality is given and we have to draw a graph for that. In this case, in this exercise, 2, 3 or 4 inequalities are given and we need to draw the graph. Along with that, we need to find the shaded area commonly shared by all these inequalities. So now let us do that. The first question is x is greater than or equal to 3, y is greater than or equal to 2. See here, they have given two inequalities. So first, let us convert the given inequality into a equality statement. So we have here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Next here, for this inequality, you need to draw a straight line on the graph. So to draw a straight line, see here, this is x is equal to 3. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. X is equal to 3 means this point. So the line is x is equal to 3 is this one. That is parallel to the y-axis. X is equal to 3 means for different values of y, always the x value is equal to 3. So we can draw a line like this way. And here this is a slack inequality. We have here greater than or equal to. So you have to draw a straight line. You have to draw a solid straight line. So that is the line for x is equal to 3. Next here we have y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 means that is we need to draw a line which is parallel to the x-axis. Y is equal to 2 means for different x value, the y value is equal to 2 only. So here we can draw a line like this way, and even this is a solid straight line because we have the inequality greater than or equal to. So we have this line and this line. Next thing is, after this, we need to find the shaded area for each line. See, first let us take the first inequality, x greater than or equal to 3. Now here in this case, if I put x equal to 0, so 0 greater than or equal to 3. 0 greater than or equal to 3 means it is a false inequality. In the same way, here we get, if I put y is equal to 0, 0 greater than or equal to 2, this is also a false inequality. In both the cases, we got false. So now let us draw the shaded area. See here, we have x is equal to 3. For this, I have taken the point x is equal to 0. This point I took and I checked that here I am getting false. That means I need to shade the area which is away from this point, not this area. I need to shade this area. So for x is equal to 3, we have this area as a shaded region. Next here, y is greater than or equal to 2. Y is greater than or equal to 2. For this actually, see we are getting here false for the point 0. So I took this point here for this inequality, and for this I am getting false. That means not this area. I need to shade the area which is away from this point. That is this area I need to shade. So this is the area for y is equal to 2. So now here, which is the common area shared by both these inequalities? That is this area, right? So this area is shared by this inequality as well as this inequality. So now here we can say that this is the area, this is the common area which is shared by the inequality x greater than or equal to 3 and y greater than or equal to 3. So this area is the answer for this particular problem. Next here we will see the second question. The second question is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. X is greater than or equal to 1 and y is greater than or equal to 2. So first let us convert the given inequalities into a equality statement. So we have here 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. That is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Then we have x is greater than or equal to 1. This we can write as x is equal to 1. Y is greater than or equal to 2. That we can write as y is equal to 2. So first step we have done. Next step is finding the solution for the inequality. So to find the solution for this inequality, put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. If I put here x is equal to 0, I get 3 into 0 plus 2y is equal to 12. 0 plus 2y is equal to 12. That is y is equal to 12 divided by 2. Y is equal to 6. Then Next, put y is equal to 0 in this equality statement. So we get here 3x plus 2 into 0 is equal to 12. 3x plus 0 is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12. That is x is equal to 12 divided by 3. So x is equal to 4. See here we got two solutions. One is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6. Another solution is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. So now we can draw a graph for this particular inequality, that is 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. So let us draw a graph, or let us draw a line. See, while drawing the line, we have to see whether we have to use a dotted line or a straight line. Here we have the inequality less than or equal to 12. That means we have to use here the straight line, that is the straight solid line we have to use. So let us locate the points. 0, 6. 0, 6 means that is this point. If I take this one as a y-axis, this is the y-axis region we have. So 0, 6. Then 4, 0. 4, 0 means this point. So now here you can join this point and this point by drawing a straight line, solid straight line. So this line represents the equality statement 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So next thing is that let us draw the line for these two inequalities. Here we have x is greater than or equal to 1. That means x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means now we have to draw a straight line which is parallel to the y-axis. So x is equal to 1, that is this region. So here if I draw here a line, then that forms x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means here for different values of y, always the x value is equal to 1. So this line represents x is equal to 1. Then we have here y is greater than or equal to 2. So for this y is equal to 2 we have. So y is equal to 2 means we have to draw a line which is parallel to the x-axis. So we can draw a line over here, that is this line. And this is also a solid straight line because here we have the inequality, that is the slack inequality, here also the slack inequality. So for all the inequalities we have to draw a solid straight line. So this line represents y is equal to 2 line, where here for different values of x, the y value is always is equal to 2. So now we have drawn all the three straight line. Next step is shading the area. So to shade the area, first let us check the inequality. First inequality I am taking, that is 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. Put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Here 0, then 0. So 0 is less than or equal to 12. So 0 less than or equal to 12 means this is a true case. So here for this I am getting true. Then next, x is greater than or equal to 1. If I take the point 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 1. For this I am getting false. Then y is greater than or equal to 2. If I take the point 0, then I get here 0 greater than or equal to 2. That is false. So see here we got for this true, for this false and false. So now let us shade the area. The first point is this one. See, I have taken the point 0, 0 and I got the value as here true. That means we have taken this point and for this I am getting the value true. That means I need to shade this area now for this inequality, that is towards the origin. So this is the shaded area for this inequality. Next here, x is greater than or equal to 1. 0 greater than or equal to 1. See, for this I am getting false. So I took this point, that is 0 point, and then I checked, and for that I am getting false. That means I need to shade now this area, that is for x is equal to 1. Next here, see, now you can see that if you compare this and this line, here the common area shared by both of these are this is the common area shared by both of these lines. Next again we have one more inequality, that is y is greater than or equal to 2. Y is greater than or equal to 2, that is for that I am getting false. That means I took this point and for this point I am getting false. That means I need to shade the area which is away from the origin, that is away from this point, that is this area. So this area. That means see here you can see that here the common area shared by all these three line is nothing but this one. So this is the common area, shaded area for these three inequalities. So that is about question number 2. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. 3x plus 4y, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6 and 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So the first step is convert both the inequalities into a equality statement, that is 2x plus y is equal to 6 and 3x plus y is equal to 12. Now find the solution for both of these. So take x is equal to 0 here, we get 2 into 0 plus y is equal to 6. 0 plus y is equal to 6, that is y is equal to 6. Then next here put y is equal to 0 in this. So 2x plus 0 is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is x is equal to 3. So now here we got the solution for this inequality, that is one solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6. Another solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 0. Next, again let us find the solution for this inequality. So put x equal to 0 in this. So 3 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. 4y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 divided by 4. That is y is equal to 3. Then put y is equal to 0 here. So 3x plus 4 into 0 is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 divided by 3. That is x is equal to 4. So now here we got two solutions for this inequality, that is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Now let us draw a line on the graph. So to draw a line, first we have to see whether we have to draw a solid line or a straight line. See, these two are the inequalities which are slack inequalities. We have here greater than or equal to and we have here less than or equal to. That means we have to draw here solid straight line for both the inequalities. Now let us locate the points. Let us take the first inequality points, that is 0, 6. 0, 6 means this point and then 3, 0. 3, 0 means this point. So now if I join these 2 points, then I get a solid straight line. Next we have here the second inequality, x is equal to 0, 3. 0, 3 means this point, then 4, 0, that is this point. Now let us join these 2 points, so we get a straight line. So here we have this line represent 2x plus y is equal to 6 and this line represent x plus 4y, that is 3x plus 4y less than, that is equal to, you have to write here 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. This line represents 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. So now here we have these two inequalities. Let us find the shaded area. See, let us take the first inequality, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Here put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. That is 2 into 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 6. 0 is greater than or equal to 6. See, this is a false statement because 0 is less than 6. So this is false. And then for this, see, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. If I put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, I get here 0 less than or equal to 12. For this I am getting true value because 0 is less than 12. So this is a false region and this is a true region. So now let us shade the area. I have taken the point 0, 0, that is the origin, and for this I got here false, and this is the line which represent that. So now for this line I'm getting the false value for 0, 0. That means we are not considering this region. Instead of that, we have to consider the region away from this point, that is away from the origin, that is this area. This area is the shaded region for 2x plus y, that is greater than or equal to 6. Next here we have 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. See, for this point 0 I am getting here true. That means I took here this point, and for this point I am getting the true. That means we need to shade the area towards this point, towards the origin. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. For this we can shade like this way. So we have here these two shaded region, this and this. Among these two, which one is the common shaded region shared by both the inequalities? That is this one. You can see that this is the region which is shared by both the inequalities. So here the answer is this region. So this is about the solution of question number 1, 2 and 3. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.